Friends, running kimono. So this is your Walgreens preview for the week of the 13th to the 19th over at Walgreens. And at first glance of this ad, it doesn't seem like anything's too special. But if you really peel the onion for a second, there is quite a few sensible deals in this one. As of recording time, which is Friday the 11th, I have not seen a Walgreens booster in my account. So I'm just letting you guys know, maybe check Saturday or maybe Sunday morning, like a 5-pack when you spend 20, those sorts of goodies. Haven't seen one. As gas is soaring to $5 a gallon, maybe it would be smart to wait till Monday in case there's some mess ups or the magic that's every Sunday over at Walgreens. And with St. Patrick's Day being celebrated on Thursday the 17th, probably on the 18th, the green glasses and ties and all that magical stuff will probably be 50% off starting on Friday the 18th. So a couple new clearance items I found are these Centrum vitamins. Always check expiry dates. I had a $4.50 off of this, so it made it $3.79. Use a little bit of Walgreens cash, and I have vitamins for 2 months. You might want to check that aisle. It's still a bit spendy, but pairing it with Walgreens cash or store register rewards or digital manufacturers, maybe you might have a deal for you, but just keep an eye out if you're in search of vitamins. We also have more dental care at 90% off. These Listerine Ready tabs at 50 cents. What a great deal. Here's something kind of weird. A Colgate toothpaste at $13.99 a pop. Wow, that is expensive. Colgate often has really good value coupons. What are they going to give us for this $14 toothpaste? And no, that is not a mistake. That is their new product. Are they going to give us a free one maybe? So we'll have to wait and see what pops up for this one, but just put it on your radar or in your back pocket. There might be a really high value digital coupon for this one. Now, the first deal we're going to talk about is $10.99 for various Gain, Bounce, these sort of products. And there's going to be a $2 digital coupon. Now, at my store or various stores near me, a lot of the detergents are half price on clearance. I think they're probably changing the size of the bags. But with that $2 coupon, it drops this guy down to $3.99 with a digital coupon. So you might want to, do a little bit of a scan and see what you have. Maybe you can score some inexpensive detergent. Next 3 deals that we're going to be talking about are deals of the week with a $4 store register reward. So if you want to do all 3, do them in separate transactions. The first little stealio, because it is so good, is with the Tresemme. They're 2 for $10. We're going to have a 5 off of 2 digital and then get back a $4 store register reward when you buy 2. Photograph your receipt to the Fetch Rewards app too, because Tresemme gives back extra points for this purchase. So grabbing 2 for $10, subtracting that 5 off of 2 digital, you're paying 5 out of pocket, getting back a $4 store register reward, making it $1 for 2 or 50 cents per. And if you wish to use a little bit of Walgreens cash, go for it and photograph that receipt to the Fetch Rewards app. You will get back extra points. It is part of their catalog. And how nice is that? The next deal of the week is with the Crest Oral B. So we have $2 coupons for both the toothpaste and the brush. So we're going to grab 1 of each. So grabbing 2 at $4, that's 8. So 4 times 2 is 8. Subtracting the $2 for the brush and the $2 for the paste, well, you're left with paying $4 out of pocket, getting back a $4 store register reward. If you're doing this deal on its own without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash. Spend it to earn that $4 store register reward. Okay, and for all the parents out there, these diapers are 2 for $20. Now, I did look this morning, digital coupons, and most of them are expiring. However, there's a $2.50 off coupon in the Smart Source of March the 6th. If you might have it, you might have a deal working per VU. Over on IBOTTA, we have $1 back. You could do this up to 2 times. So please make sure that you have this rebate as well. And I think Fetch will give you extra points for Huggies too. It's part of their catalog. Buying 2 Huggies for $20, subtracting 2 $2.50 coupons from the Smart Source of March the 6th. That's $5 off right there. Pay $15, get back $4 from the store register reward, and then $3 from IBOTTA, $1.50 times 2. That's how I'm getting the math. It makes it $8 for the 2 or $4 per bag. If you wish to use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, absolutely go for it if you are not doing this deal in concert with a booster. Now, this is a deal. Buy one, get one 50% off on NIVEA, and that's what we're going to be buying. And when you spend $20, you get back $10 in Walgreens cash. So there's a lot of layers to this cake, so just follow me on this one. We have this one $2 digital coupon, so please make sure you have this guy loaded. We only have one. Over on IBOTTA, $1 back for the Sensitive Radiant Body Lotion up to 3 times. So we're going to grab at least 3 of those. And then over on coupons.com, we have this progressive spend 20, get back 4, plus $2 back. So hopefully you're following what I'm saying here. And that is the coupons.com app as well. Okay, so we're going to grab 4 of the NIVEA Radiants at $7.99, so that's $23.37. Subtracting the $2 digital, you're paying $21.37 with your debit card. As this is spend 20, get back 10. You have to use your debit card. You're getting back $10 of Walgreens cash for spending 20. You're going to get $1 back for each from IBOTTA, so that's $3 back. You're going to get that 5 back for spending 20 with the coupons.com app, plus an extra 2. So it makes it $1.37 for the 4, or 34 cents per lotion. Let's remember not to use Walgreens cash or store register rewards, as this is a spend offer. The next deal that we have is with the Colgate. I'm going to grab a paste and a wash because we always get toothpaste. We're going to have a 4 off of 2 digital coupon starting on Sunday morning. So I think you can see where this is going. So we're going to grab 1 wash and 1 brush for $7.98. They're $3.99 a pop. Subtracting that 4 off of 2 digital, you're paying $3.98 out of pocket, getting back $4 in Walgreens cash. For this deal, because it is a buy, yes, you can use your Walgreens cash to earn Walgreens cash. So how great is it to do this deal? And it's a nice brush and a mouthwash. If Max Fresh is more your speed and you want to use that 4 off of 2 for this is an alternative deal, but you got to pick one. You can't use both. So grabbing 2 of the paste at $2.99 a pop, that's $5.98. Subtracting that 4 off of 2 digital, you're paying $1.98, getting back $2 in Walgreens cash, making this free. And again, because this is buy, yes, you can use Walgreens cash, spend it to earn it for this scenario, as long as you're not doing this in concert with a booster, but we haven't seen a booster yet. Soft soap, another superb deal. $3.99. We have $1 digital, $5 of Walgreens cash when you buy 2. And look at the bottom, see how it says W cash? Thus, we know that's the deal. So grabbing 2 of these for $7.98, subtracting that $1 digital, you're paying $6.98 out of pocket, getting back $5 in Walgreens cash, making it $1.98 for the 2, or 99 cents per body wash. If you wish to use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, yes, you can spend it to earn it, because this is a buy deal, as long as you're not doing this with a booster. Back to the Renews-A-Cones, 89 cents. We're going to have a $1.78 off of 6, but you have to buy 6 for that coupon to come off. So grabbing 6 of them, that's $5.34. Subtracting the $1.78 coupon, you're paying $3.56 for the 6, or 59 cents each. It is okay to use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance for this one, as long as you're not using this in concert with a spend booster. So I think this is really the paper deal of the week. BOGO 50% off. And with everything increasing with inflation, maybe it's time to get a couple. Grabbing 2 Scott products or a Kleenex. Just make sure you grab 2. It's buy one, get one 50% off. So that'll be $7.50 at the till. If you might have a $4 store register reward and toss in $3 in Walgreens cash, smart and smart. Pay 50 cents for the 2. Photograph that receipt to the Fetch Rewards app. If you're doing this without one of those spend boosters, yes, you can use Walgreens cash and store register rewards to pay down the balance for this one. And I think it's super uber smart. And the Cottonelle is $4.99. I don't have a deal for you, but even with the Viva, that is like upwards of $7. So this is some extra savings pour vous. Let's talk about some quick honorable mentions. Okay, so these deals are kind of, if you're paying attention at home, there's nothing really you're getting back with this other than $4.99 for those double packs of the Febreze, which is okay. I mean, if you wanted to use a bunch of Walgreens cash to pay down the balance for this, that's the only way I would do it. 2 for $5 for the Nature Valley bars. I think there's like a 50 cent off a 2 digital or something like that. And for all you coffee drinkers out there, $5.49 to $8.99. And then the sodas, 3 for $11.99. And now we have a bit of pizza, a BOGO free. So look through your frozen food section. How much is that jumped up in price? Because it's usually like $6.99 for the first pizza. Hopefully it's not $10. If you need a little something to wash that down, these adult beverages, $5 rebates for them. So you pay for them, and then something comes out of the Catalina machine and you send it to the manufacturer and they send you back a check or a prepaid credit card, and it's once per household. And we have some hot dogs also BOGO free. And then we have 5 for $5 for the tuna and 2 for $6 for red hot sauce. Here's a fun little game called Look How Expensive. $8 for copper tone. I've never seen it this expensive. So it's like made out of diamond oil or something. Very expensive. And Easter supplies to make baskets, or if you're having an Easter egg hunt, from 99 cents. I really haven't looked in the Easter section, but if you are looking for these supplies, perhaps Walgreens with a store register reward is a way to get it on the cheap. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.